So my name is Brandon. I am campground manager.
I'm Jen. I take care of a lot of the activities and fun things that we do.
So for me, I've worked in hospitality, worked in food service since I was in high school, and I've been camping since I was a kid. So it just kind of came together naturally. So I've been with KCN for just over a year and a couple of days. So far, my experience with them has been very positive. I didn't actually go looking for them or find them. I was at the park when they came in and were looking to purchase it. So I met with Kay from KCN beforehand and liked kind of hit it off with him. It was easy to talk to, and it's just been a great experience working with him. But very team friendly.
Everyone seems very connected and all oriented to the same goal of making sure that people are having a good time. And that's what we want in our park too.
And genuine, right? Like people that actually care about the employees. It means a lot to work for a company like that.
I think having the family feel still, that everyone's connected and supportive and together.
Yes. Yeah, like knowing everybody by name, coming into the park and meeting the employees of the park and calling them by their name, knowing who's there. It goes a long way with everybody from the bottom all the way up.
I think the work that's being done right now and the upgrades, and while we're not directly doing some of that, it's still kind of making sure that everything gets done. And to see from start working through and what the finished product will be, it's been a challenge and trying to get everything together in a short period of time. But it's been something that's really been cool to come together, and I think it's going to be great for us and for the guests. And a whole new experience.
And honestly, the great part about it has been that they want to put upgrades into the park, but they don't just tell you what they're putting in, right? They come to you, get our input on it, and let us design some of these sites the way that we, think that they could be or would like to see them. So having somebody that gives us the authority to some of that power, as opposed to just saying, hey, you're going to do this, and whether you like it or not, that's been very rewarding to work with a company like that.
I think even from the campground up, that family is, everyone supports everyone. And that's a huge piece when you're trying to get something done, is that there's someone behind you, beside you, with you that says, I'll help with that. What can I do? And that's...
Yeah, having a support staff that when you need somebody to take over different aspects or help with different things, having them right there, just a phone call away or even just a text message away, knowing that they're going to answer and they're going to do everything they can to help really goes a long way with building that team and that family feel. Go for it.
I know he's not a real person, but I think Indiana Jones would be someone cool to go on a trip with.
To go on a trip with, if we're just making up people at that point, who wouldn't want to go with Doc Brown from,
Back to the
Future, right? Sorry. Like, then you can just go anywhere in time on a vacation. That sounds like a great way to travel.
Yeah.
What'd you say, 77 and sunny?
Yeah.
Little breeze. And
little lower temperatures overnight, so you can have a nice campfire.
Right.
Toast some marshmallows. S'mores. Does that count as food?
Yes. Breakfast for me was always my favorite campfire food. Like my favorite meal at the fires. What would you guys eat? Bacon, eggs, potatoes. Love good potatoes in a cast iron skillet.
I do like mountain pies. All the different mountain pies, even just ham and cheese or pizza, put fruit filling in them. I love when the guests decorate their sites, their cabins, like even if it's just a holiday or for a birthday or whatever their celebration is. I love when they bring garden flags and just kind of make the space their own to celebrate them being with us.
Halloween around our campground is a lot of fun because there's a lot of unique decorations and sites, and you see the creative side of people coming out, and you see the adults out there having fun like they're kids. So
Christmas in July too.
Christmas in
We
July
get
when
a
they're
lot of decorating.
Yeah, anytime we have those special weekends where there's multiple sites taking advantage of just being away from home and
Having a good
having
time
fun.
together.
Yeah. I don't know if I've had an unusual guest request. I mean, I had a guest show up with their hot tub and not understand why we didn't want them to fill it out of our well. But other than that, it's been, I think most of them have been pretty calm.
I would say on the park, my favorite things are like Devil's Den and Little Round Top with the little castle up there. But off the park, I would say visiting part of the Appalachian Trail and just getting out in the middle of kind of nowhere a little bit without being too far away from things.
Yeah, we got a couple of little places, Laurel Lake, Fuller Lake. It's about 30-minute ride north of us. Appalachian Trail cuts right through there. Good fishing. You can rent a boat, take a canoe out. They got beaches for swimming, so it's not necessarily something you're going to see on the tourism destinations for us, but it is if you're looking for a little bit of a drive up into the woods, up into the mountains, a little something different activity that maybe you didn't know that Gettysburg had around them.
I would say maybe all of the families' pets, the dogs they bring with us. We have a lot of families who bring their dogs. We have dogs and we love spending time with our family pets, and I think they're part of the family.
And we not just dogs. We had people walk their cats and even a pig last year.
Pig. Oh, I forgot that would be a.
And the lady that came with her horse.
We had a miniature horse one time.
So
So
we're very pet friendly. So if you've got a peacock or a turkey you want to come along, just hey, come on over to Gettysburg.
I don't think so.
No.
We're excited for the season to get running, and
we'll see you soon. She was waving. I was like, oh, wave.
I know. I saw you wave. I waved.